Today, we're making pigs in blankets. They're easy to make, they're delicious, and take about 20 minutes. We're going to need 12 pork sausages and 24 rashers of streaky bacon. As for the bacon, just overlap them slightly, place a sage leaf in there, and then we can add on the sausage and just gently roll this out. We're going to do 4 of these with the sage leaves, and then the next one is going to be rosemary sprigs. So same again, just lay out 2 rashers of streaky bacon slightly overlapping, add on the rosemary sprigs. I recommend just a small little pinch in each. Place on the sausage and then just wrap up nice and tight. And the last one's going to be thyme, which is the exact same process. These can then be placed onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Place them into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake them for 15 minutes just for that bacon to start browning. In the meantime, we can make our herby honey glaze. What I have here is 1 sprig of rosemary leaves, 1 sprig of thyme leaves, and 2 sage leaves. Just add all of them together and then really finely chop them. Just make sure that there is no large leaves or stems in there. Then add it to a bowl and follow that up with 2 tablespoons or 40 grams of honey. You can slightly heat it up just to make it a little bit more runny, as well as adding in a pinch of salt, as well as some ground white pepper. Then get in there with a spoon and just mix everything until it's all evenly combined and it smells amazing. Going back to the sausages that have been baking away for 15 minutes, that bacon is starting to release a lot of its moisture and starting to brown. Just place these onto a heat resistant surface, then using a pastry brush, grab that honey glaze and we're just going to brush that over each individual sausage, just trying to get everything coated in it. You can also flip them over if you want to, and this is going to add the most amazing flavour to these and also help them caramelize, getting that nice crispy bacon. Once you have that done, transfer them back over to the oven at the same temperature. We're going to cook these for about 6 to 7 minutes, not 67 minutes, just until that bacon's really caramelized and that sausage is beautifully cooked. Then we can remove these from the stovetop and just let them sit for about 5 minutes. Let's then serve these up onto a platter on a plate in bowls, however you want to do it. Make sure you stack them nice and high, and that right there is our pigs in blankets.